The way we do business is changing, and if you don't adapt now, your business might slowly start to whittle away, because it's becoming less about making money and more about sharing your message, following your desire to change the world, to make a difference, to do something more meaningful. This change is having an impact on all businesses, because the businesses that stand for something and have a bigger purpose are the businesses that are succeeding because they create community. To think different. It brought together the misfits, the rebels and the troublemakers, and it made them feel like they belonged. And when we do that, we can build a business that's not only more successful, but has more impact in the world. Jim Carrey once said, "The effect you have on others is the most valuable currency there is." The businesses that realize this are the ones that are winning. It is not about the money, it's about the effect we have on others. The people who create a bigger meaning and message around their business are the ones moving forward the fastest. And not only are they the ones moving forward the fastest, they're also the ones making the biggest impact. And if you're anything like me, then making the biggest impact possible is what drives you. Then you start to create a powerful community of people who will stand by your side as you make a difference in the world. And this is so powerful. So what do you stand for? What does your business stand for? You know, if you're just in business to sell and make money, it's probably about time to change that and to be in business to serve your community and to make a difference. Otherwise, it's just a matter of time before you're out of business.